In our time of rapid climate change, we need radical solutions, a showcase of how humanity and nature can coexist and flourish using technology that feels like magic. Introducing the Radically Ablution block, a prototype of a new generation sustainability project for Burning Man. It provides all the hygiene services while radically saving water, carbon footprint, and rethinking waste. It's a highly interactive object consisting of 6 shower cabins, 4 composting toilets, 2 man and 2 woman urinals, couple sinks, a mirror, and also a great view. Shower loop is the core system allowing to radically save water, up to 90% comparing with a regular shower. The more cabins, the better the saving. It works by capturing all the soapy water, including from the sink. Then, after just a regular hair filter in shower cabins and easily cleanable mesh filter, water goes into an IBC tank situated inside the evaporator area and working like a septic tank. All soapy emulsions lighter than water will float in the upper part and overflow to the evaporator from time to time. Heavier than water parts will dive in the bottom part. Since the IBCs are tilted, we pump the water from the middle of a tank. In fact, from the second tank, where the water is cleaner than in the first one. IBCs are connected like a communicating vessels. Additional IBC slowly refills the water that gets evaporated via a float valve. The pump station is quite powerful to be able to lift the water and supply 6 showers and a sink simultaneously. After the pump, we have a polypropylene filter, a sand filter, and 2 carbon filters. This removes odors and organics. The submerged UV lamps kills bacteria. The toilets are classical waterless toilets. This also contributes to water saving. Poo and pee separation is essential. This turns waste into a resource. In this project, we use urinals for the pee. Odorless experience is achieved by active ventilation, which helps poo to dry out quickly and moves any possible odors as far as possible. Optionally, ash can be added, and we have a lot of it at Burning Man, right? After the burn, we'll have a lot of material for composting. It can be used for any plants that we don't eat, like trees. The same applies to the pee. After mixing it with water, it's actually a great fertilizer. This waste management approach is specifically designed for the burn, where there is a leave no trace principle. In other environments, we could have used different permaculture-based practices like a constructed wetland or vermicompost. The evaporator and IBCs are on the south-facing side, so the water should be warm enough without additional heaters. All soapy water inside the evaporator should be evaporated by the end of the burn, so just a bit of cleaning will be needed. Soapy water inside the IBC can be used to water the plants somewhere after the burn. The pump, UV lamps and ventilation work from solar. The access to the object is friendly to wheelchair users. The construction is just a scaffolding. Walls could be polycarbonate or other water and weather-proof material that we can find. In the end, around 40 to 50,000 gallons of water is needed to supply 6 regular shower cabins during the whole burn. Let's also think about carbon footprint of bringing a lot of water to the burn and bringing back black and gray water, and also, by the way, cleaning porta potties. This system, all it needs to run is around 900 gallons of water. Most of this water will be recycled. Some will evaporate. And instead of waste, this object produces compost and fertilizer. No fossil fuels are involved to run it. I want to build a radical ablution blog for this year's Burning Man. Support me and let's create a sustainable future of Burning Man together. Really, let's do it.